It's time for some public speaking or presentation skills, however you decide to call it. The point is that what I'm about to share with you here is going to allow you to create your own message and deliver it to any audience in a very unique way, in your own way. You will become the speaker that people want to listen to, the kind of person that can captivate an audience, influence others, get individuals to take action, to move them towards something, the kind of person that is memorable. Let me provide you with some context. Say you run your own business. Can you imagine what you could achieve with the right communication skills if you were able to stand up anywhere and share in a very unique way and engaging what your business does? It is a unique marketing avenue as well. Or if you work for a company and you want to move up the business ladder, whether it's up or zigzagging, think about what you could do if you could stand up and present like no other, the advantage it would give you. Or it can just be that you want to speak in public at a family reunion or at your best friend's wedding. Think about any possible scenario where you could benefit from having the tools and techniques that I'm going to be sharing with you. What is it that we're going to be covering together? Well, I focus on 4 key elements that fall within what I like to call the public speaking wheel, starting with the emotional connection between you and the audience, moving all the way to the content, the structure of your presentation, how to craft your stories, moving then down to delivery, all the body language, physiology, stances, tonality, and of course the words you use, to then arrive finally to state management, to make sure you control yourself and can deliver at any given time the best version of you. Public speaking is an amazing journey, and I'm super excited to get started with you.